Okay na. Okay na.
Hi YouTube!
Hi YouTube!
We're currently here at the
Purple Concept Photo Studio.
for our OJT.
Yes, and we're waiting for our customers.
There's no customers.
Oh,
We're not doing anything.
yeah, we're bored.
So before anything else, I want to greet Ina and
And hi, we miss you.
it's too bad you can't go here. It's so fun. We already had our preview shots.
And the photo shoots.
Yes.
And you joke.
There's a new improvement in our videos because
Yeah.
I have a new camera. It's 500D
Yes.
or Rebel T1i or his Extreme.
Really? Wow. Right.
It's an SLR with video so that our videos will be high definition. For
Yeah.
you, only for
Yeah.
you.
Yeah. And we're using studio lights.
Of course. We're improving already.
Yes, and we have balloons, props, and
Costume.
costume.
Bye.